In this video, I will show you how to make a simple egg and spinach soup. If you are in a hurry and you don't have a lot of time, you can prepare this in 5 minutes. For 4 servings, you will need 1 egg, 4 cups spinach leaf, half teaspoon garlic, half teaspoon vegetable oil spray, salt and pepper to taste, and 4 cups water. First, beat the egg, add salt and pepper to taste. Then beat it up, mix well. Use the oil spray in the pot. Then add the garlic. Stir fry garlic for about 1 minute. Continue to stir fry until it smells good. Then add the beaten egg and pour it to the pot. To make the scrambled egg. Very simple, just like when you make a regular scrambled egg. When it's done, add the water. 4 cups of water in this case to make 4 servings. And if there is a little bit of egg remains in the bowl, add water in the bowl, because it will give a nice flavor to the soup later on. Then add the spinach and cook it in high heat. For about just 1 to 2 minutes. Add salt, and also pepper to taste. The Chinese like to use white pepper, but if you like black pepper, it's fine too. And when the spinach is cooked, your soup is about ready. This is a delicious soup, ready in 5 minutes, and contains only 31 calories. Enjoy!